Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very interesting and fun creating recipe for you all. I'm sure you're gonna love it, so let's get started. First step, you need to have a bowl of chocolate ganache with 2 tall glasses. Just simply dunk your glass rim into the chocolate ganache and let it set for 10 minutes. Now let's prepare the ingredients for milkshake. For that you need Oreo cookies, ice cream of your choice. Here I am using vanilla, but you can use any. Chocolate syrup and lots of ice. And a half or 1 cup of milk. I'm using regular dairy milk. Now blend this well until all combined together. Let's pour the milkshake into a glass and get crazy with the toppings. So first of all, do not fill your glass till the top. Leave at least 2 inches of space for the whipping cream and add whatever you have on hand for topping. For our next freak shake, again we need to start with our milkshake. For that I am using KitKats, wafers, chocolate syrup, ice cream, ice and milk. And then repeat the same process. Add your milkshake into your glass, add whipping cream and your topping. Don't worry when adding whipping cream because it's eventually gonna go down, so add more. For example, if you need to add 1 inches of your whipping cream, add 3 inches because definitely it's gonna go down. I hope you liked this video. Please, if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new updates. Thank you so much.